Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Among Us online on iPhone. Before we start, I want to quickly mention something important. If you play online games, use apps, or connect to public Wi-Fi, protecting your internet connection really matters. That's why I use NordVPN. It keeps your IP address private, encrypts your data, and protects you from hackers and tracking while you play or browse. You can try NordVPN for a great price using the option in the description and keep all your devices secure. Now let's get into Among Us. Among Us is a multiplayer game where you play with friends or people around the world, either as a crewmate trying to complete tasks or as an imposter trying to sabotage the crew. On iPhone, the game works fully online and is very easy to set up. To get started, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Among Us. Download and install the game, then open it once it's finished. Launch the app and sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. An account is required to play online. After signing in, go to the account section where you can change your username, since the game usually assigns a random one at first. Tap on Change Name and enter the name you want to use so other players can recognize you. When you're happy with it, go back to the main menu, tap Play, and then choose Online. From here, you'll see several ways to play. You can create your own game and invite friends, join a private game using a code, or enter a public online lobby with other players. If you're joining a friend, tap Enter Code and type in the code they give you. If you want to host a game yourself, tap Create Game, where you can choose the game mode, map, number of players, tags, and the region you want to play in. Picking the best region for your location, especially while using NordVPN, helps you get smoother and faster matches. If you just want to jump into a random game, tap Find Game and scroll through the list of available lobbies until you find one that isn't full and join it. Once you're inside a game, you can tap on the wardrobe to change your color and customize your character with different hats, skins, and accessories. There are lots of options to make your character look exactly how you want. That's all it takes to play Among Us online on your iPhone. And for the best experience with stable connections and access to more regions, make sure you're using NordVPN. You can try it today at a great price through the link in the description.